Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome back to English with Teacher Ken. Are you happy? I am happy. And I am very hungry. Are you hungry? Okay. Today I will teach you how to make a sandwich. Are you ready? Okay, very good. First, you will need bread, ham, mayonnaise, pepper, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and cheese. Very good. Let's say that again. Bread, ham, mayonnaise, peppers, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and cheese. Okay, let's start. First, put some bread on a plate. Two, put some mayonnaise on the bread. Three, put some cheese on the bread. 4, put some lettuce on the cheese. Then put some chicken ham on the lettuce. Then put some cucumber on the chicken. Then put some tomatoes on the cucumber. Then put some pepper on the tomato. Okay, and then cut your sandwich in half and enjoy your meal. Thank you very much and bye bye.